Samla na Shillong badon hapadeng kaching Shah hikai lani coaching ha Centurion Defense Academy Dehradun Center ha Uttarakhand banyakun exam ban rungkam Shipai pen ban ulangat ha kaching Shah Pynshitom dusman hala Nonghikai Haduh bagashiing Khohsiew jong kalapan. Uni Samla belatip kerteng kumu warga varman na lom Shah tsengi udai ubadang khat prasnem karta bat ulayat hu ba katay kaching Shah Pynshitom kadai kada kapapak syong bat yeng lani sit ups Haduh saus paksin kabalaja ha kasau tarik unaitung arajar arpusan. Kani kajing Pynshitom da utai Nonghikai kala penlong ya uniu kena banom laya chu dakisngi tat Haduh ba ukpa jong uhap bandit Shah no ya bat menta udang Shah sumar han negrams bat kami renti bo unkot haswa kan National Defense Academy lani NDA entrance exams ka banlong ha unai lor menta usnem. Uniu Samla ula rung ha ketika coaching center ha unai yayong arajar arpusan hadin bo ula pendep ya kajing Pule class 12 jong ha Shillong bat pen kre banyak hun ya ketika entrance exams namar kajing ang nuot jong ban rungkam Shipai. Hinray na kani kajing mensau kilat ya menta kalong ka bakem ha pen ban upen pau pat ba babe namar ula persyang hinray ka ngat no kajing ja bas niubok. Uvarga fula ong ba Nonghikai ula lap ha kapor ba uya kren bat uwe upara kelas batang na kani kadaw lap ha le sit up yaki Haduh saus paksin. Uniu Samla ula pendap ya ketika kajing Pynshitom kat ba upara kelas jong upat ula kelon no bat na kajing le jubor ulangat ha kajing mensau. What happened kajing mensau om syem lakwa ban pentip bat penjenjar ya ukpa bat kakemi tat Haduh balara ya Shah hospital. Kani kamdai kasin ke baningkong bagi Samla Pule kin Shah Pynshitom dusman bat Shah Pait ben bat badai na kathan North East ru lakhen Meghalaya bentalang. Kikemi kikpa jong kila mudoi persya ya kibor penyat kete ke academy lingba ke email bat dawa ban Pynshitom ya utai Nonghikai. Kibor penyat kete ke academy kila thok pan map Henry kam syam ladon kanu pat kasin jam. Uni Samla usa ha ke paying guest hostel marjan kete ke academy bat kibor penyat kete ke PG hostel kila shimkia ban sumar bat yalam ya Shah hospital. Kibor pulit kila register mukadama persya ya utai Nonghikai lingba ke 0 FIR bat kidang penlong ya ke jing tokit bat on Pynshitom ya kat kum ki kendon. Kikme kikpa kila penpau ke jing sngokia bat kedo ba kamdai banja ya nuru kum kini ki jingja bala jaya ukhon jongki kam tam ba kidai na kathan North East klem da punya pair la udai na kanu ru ke benta. Kelapan pauru ya kajing ai kublai ya kibor pulet ke East Khasi Hills District kumjo ki pulet na Dehradun ki bala bud din ya katai kajing Shah Pynshitom ben ukhon jongki bat ai jing songu ru ya ki badan benta ban yarap ya ukhon jongki.
So on the 4th we had maths class. So we were sitting in the back row. Then my friend, he patted from the back and I asked him what happened. He said, "I'm hungry, let's go eat momos after coaching." Then I asked where and all. So it was like a short conversation. During that, the teacher was teaching. So the teacher saw my friend from side. He was like, the teachers were looking at you. So then I sat straight. But then during that time, the teacher already saw, he came. Then he was asking us that, what were you doing? Why were you talking? Then he called us to the, where they teach near the board. Yeah, so then he started asking that, what were you talking about? Then first we were scared to speak, but then later we told him that we were talking about eating momos. Then for that, he started, talking to us and said that, no, now you have to do punishment, 400 sit-ups. Then the teacher, he's very aggressive towards the students, no? So all of us, we always have that fear of that teacher. So that's why we didn't say anything. We started doing sit-ups. And I didn't think also, because I thought that if I refuse in case something else happens, then it will be a problem. I thought, let's just do the sit-ups, because this is my last attempt, so I could continue the studies after the sit-ups. I thought it will heal. Then during the sit-ups I kept doing. Then in between he asked also, how are you feeling? Then I said, sir, my leg is burning a lot. Then he said, okay, continue. Then my other friend was also there. Even he was struggling. He was slow. He was doing slowly. Then I finished doing 400. I told the teacher. He told me, you can go sit. Then even my friend, he started doing, but because he was slow and the teacher could see that he's struggling, so the teacher let him go and sit after around 300 something sit-ups. First I thought that it's just, sometimes after we exercise a lot, it pains a little bit. It gets okay after 3 days, 4 days. So I thought it will get okay. So that day I couldn't walk much. I wasn't bending my knee. In the stairs also I was pushing with my arms and walking somehow. Then the next day it was very painful, so I didn't go to coaching also. Then the day after that was Sunday. Then we had 2 days of classes. I somehow went limping to the class because I thought it will get okay. Then even my parents will feel worried that I haven't been going to coaching since past few days and all. But then after the 2 days at night, I started to get spasms in my leg, and I saw that it's not healing; it's just paining and paining. So the next day, I had to tell my parents that this happened. So then my parents were angry, and they were angry at the coaching for the punishment. And I went to the doctor with the PG's owner's daughter that day. So I informed my parents around, I think, 4 days after it happened. I don't remember the exact, but it was minimum 5 days that I didn't walk at all. I was down in the room only.
Okay, what's the name of that coaching center?
The coaching center is called Centurion Defense Academy. It's the main branch is in Lucknow, but they have a branch in Dehradun also. I won't go back to that coaching center because the relationship with them has been bitter now because of this incident, and I'm planning to continue online from a different source. And I'll still give this exam because this is my last attempt, so better to try than to give up. First they didn't force me to deny, but they were trying to make it look like it's not a big issue. They were telling me, oh, sometimes that happens. If you get in army, then you'll have to do more also maybe. And they said maybe you have this deficiency, or maybe you were already injured. Then that mostly that only. And they were telling me that, oh, maybe this is the first time also this happened with the teacher, that he behaved aggressively and all. They tried to make it seem like it's not that big of an issue to cover the things. What I'd like to say is people go from far places to, let's say, Dehradun or any other place. We go there to achieve our dreams. But then if people face problems this way from the coaching institutes and the teacher, then sometimes people get demotivated to pursue their dreams. Like for me also now, when I get problems in daily activities like to take water and to do basic things, also I have to think that how to move my leg. When I have to go anywhere, also I have to walk slowly. And even the most basic things also I'm not being able to do myself because of this legs. Then it becomes very demotivating. And during this time where I was supposed to be focusing on studying, now I have to focus on this leg, then the pain also. So the focus will get diverted this way.
Habatin, pet bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya kashap plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam kta ika dur jingki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we kajing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka kia ka nutrition ba khambha kajing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba Ko Office Jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya